Hey bestie, welcome back to Mulalo Nails. So guess what? Today I'm showing you how to do two super cute nail looks. First up, we are going all glam with a full glitter nail and some hot pink lines. It's so modern, you are gonna love it. Then we are steering gears to a chic Frenchie nail, but with a twist. We are using a shimmering silver base and those gorgeous hot pink abstract lines with my favorite girl, Miss Moore. That's my favorite gel polish, honey. Lately, I love how pigmented it is. Love Miss Moore. Honestly, they look like a million bucks, but I promise they are way easier than you think. Oh, and just so you know, you'll need your trusty UV lamp to cure those gel polishes and a super fine nail art brush to create those thin lines, abstract lines that is. We are starting with the usual, the base coat, then get into the fun stuff, those shape lines and glitter and those hot pink details. Stick around, I will show you all my little secrets. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and let's get into it, and hit the bells button so you're notified when I upload my next video. Thank you for watching. Please watch the video. I hope you enjoy it like I enjoyed making it. See you around, bestie. See you around.